I'm Wes Smuts and welcome to 56 Deacon Street in Berserker. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home sits high in a flat block with easy access to all the local amenities. The home features hardwood floors, period features throughout, and big open rooms. Whether you're looking for a first-time home or get your foot in the door to the expanding Berserker investment market, this property could be the one for you. For more information on this high-set home in a central location, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts.